Hi, welcome back. Today we're at a special event. This is Nigel Sandell showcasing us a V8 and putting it through its paces. When an engine's been built, it's put in this rig and thoroughly tested. We were very happy to be invited and bring along some of our new parts. And of course, plenty of lovely Rolls-Royce and Bentley models to admire. Let us know which one was your favourite in the comments. There was also a special custom Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit. Until next time, thanks for watching.